Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is a Crissy doll. These are iconic. I doubt there are very many doll collectors out there that do not have a Crissy doll or a doll from the Crissy doll family. They were made by the Ideal Company from 1969 to 74, and they are a preteen bodied doll. Their hair was the thing. They have a dial in the back and a button in the front, and this hair extension goes in and out. You know what's cool? These dolls were made in 1969, and as you can see from the one that I have here, they were really played with. But because of their simple design, this twist in, can you see the hair getting shorter there? The hair twists in, and then it was pulled out like this, although I don't like doing this, but you just pulled it out, press in the tummy and pull out the hair, and it got longer. She was very popular. I showed my Tiffany Taylor doll not too long ago, and Carrie from InkpadsPlaypad, and if you do not subscribe to her channel, you should. Carrie's another one of those people. She's been collecting, she's a young girl, and she's been collecting dolls for over 30 years, which I think means all her life. I have met Carrie and Eli, and they have an I didn't see it, but because of watching her channel, they have an absolutely incredible collection of dolls. Anyway, Carrie said, you know, that reminds me of my Crissy doll, and we started talking, and we came up with the idea of asking you to join in on a challenge that Carrie and I are going to do June 22nd called Show Off Your Crissy Dolls. And just show us your dolls, whatever repair it's in. Now this one's going to change because I'm going to Downy dunk her hair, see if I can put a little curl back in it. And not too long ago, It's a Stroke of Life, Melissa mentioned a website that you might be interested in. It's called Crissy and Me. And she had gotten a pattern there. And I just wanted to show you, you know, these are downloadable, and they're full-size patterns from Crissy and Me. If you have a Crissy doll, even if you do not participate in the collab or challenge, these are worth going and getting. In fact, if you have a fashion doll 15 to 17, 18 inches tall, you might want to go get these because websites are expensive to run, to have, and you never know when they'll go down. Crissy also had other family members. The most popular one was Velvet. And again, their hair was so simple. Hers was the same way. And their hair was so simple that they still work. It's incredible. I bought these dolls from a garage sale. I don't think I paid 50 cents a piece. I think I did pay 50 cents a piece. I got them both for $1. So if you don't have one, maybe you could start looking in thrift stores. They're very pretty dolls. They're iconic. Thank you, Carrie. What a fun collab challenge to put out. Again, her channel is InkpadsPlaypad, and I will leave a link below. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.